Assalamu alaikum, alhamdulillah. We are starting today lesson number 5. I told you this sign, its sign is actually when will come this sign top of any letter, then you will say this sign fatah. Okay, when this sign if will come bottom on any letter, then you will say it kasra. Okay, we completed before this lesson our lesson fatah. I am giving you example. This one ba is ta and it's okay, we are reading this. When will come this sign top of the any letter, then you will say fatah. Ba fatah ba, ta fatah ta, sa fatah sa. Okay, next one is we this jim fatah ja and dal fatah da. Okay, but today is some difference in our lesson, because on any letter, every letter coming this sign on down side. Okay, we will read it kasra. What name this sign? Kasra, 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 kasra. Okay, and name is kasra. Kasra, kasra. Okay, kasra. We are starting from there. Alif kasra e. Next one is ba kasra b, ta kasra ti, tha kasra thi, jim kasra thi, jim kasra ji, ha kasra hi, kha kasra khi, dal kasra di, and zal kasra zi, ra kasra ri, za kasra zi, sin kasra si, shin kasra shi, صاد kasra sui, ضاد kasra dui, طوا kasra tui, ظوا kasra ذوی, عین kasra عی, غین kasra غی, فا kasra فی, قاف kasra قی, کیف kasra کی, لام kasra لی, میم kasra می, نون kasra نی, واو kasra وی, ہا kasra ہی, حمزہ kasra ای, یا kasra yi. It's kasra, K A S R A. It's kasra practice lesson. Please practice. Do practice for only 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes this video. After that, inshallah, you will understand. It's very easy, simple. Okay, simple is rule. Okay, which rule? It's sign. You don't forget this sign. Is sign. When will come this sign top of the any letter, then fatah. When will come this sign bottom side on any letter, then kasra. Okay, sign is same, but place is different. Upper place and down place. Thank you. Take care and revise it. It's your today's lesson. Assalamu alaikum.